I think I saw someone in North Carolina.
Box of absolute memorabilia.
A piggy bank. Going to be a Tar Heel.
I'm going to hit an auto Cam Newton here. What do you think? Huh?
No.
Oh, that's looking nice.
Wow.
Reese Jones-Drew, what's that number 2? 5?
10.
10.
League's leading rusher right now, too.
Ooh.
Leading the league in rushing.
That is sick.
Part of the E. That is awesome.
That is nice.
Yes. That makes up for the other one.
Yeah.
Number 410, yeah. That's a pretty sick patch.
I haven't seen any of the demos, I don't think.
Huh?
I haven't seen any of those come out from the store yet.
Well, I tell you what, when I came in last time I bought the absolute.
It's very generous, too.
Yeah. Redemption.
Oh. Well, no.
Oh, wow. That's
Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis.
Dude, that's got to be one of his only certified autographs.
He doesn't have a number out of 50.
I've never seen his autograph, ever.
Red. AP.
I've never seen his autograph, I don't think.
Can't turn sideways. Number 4750. Huh? That's two pretty nice cards. Another autograph.
Spectrum. It's low numbered.
Ronald Johnson.
Wow.
1 of 25.
1 of 25.
It's a solid box.
Sue.
And Chris Johnson.
4 of 25.
4 of 25. That's the other one was number 4 of 25. Ronald Johnson Spectrum.
That first card looks like a parallel.
Mike Wallace. Is that a gold? What is that? Nothing? Okay.
Ooh, Terrell Pryor.
Terrell Pryor auto.
Greg James.
Yeah.
Pryor might have some upset to it.
Yeah, just Spectrum. What are they, number 2? 299. No, it's a regular card.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good deal.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to try one more gold standard.
One more gold standard,
Yeah.
okay.
1, 2, 3.